Hello. Hello, this is the My Artifact episode number 2709. Today's date is 18th of April 2023. It's almost like not 18, it's a 17 April 18, just it's almost like a 0.01 minute. Okay, almost I started recording Artifact episode at 12 a.m. Okay, so this Artifact episode belongs to 17th of April. Okay, so what is really happened? I don't know, yeah, like basically this thing is like this April na at the beginning of the April it's just so worse like such a worse thing happened in the April. Okay. Worst thing is like simultaneously one by one. Okay. And also problems things happened and problems happened simultaneously one by one. It just didn't really stop. It's just like the one problems and the another problem is in front of it. Okay. And also during this time celebration is also here. My brother's wedding 14 April, then Shruti's wedding, and not just a wedding, there are in between so many things as also. Okay. And during this time I have to manage my project as also, and some of the projects are kind of like a very big. Like I started this modern combat, which is cutscene is closely related to the cinematic, legit a movie. I have to dub that entire thing into the Hindi. Okay. Like basically is that कि from April, and as also is that from this April I started recording my own voice. Okay, not using this creepy cringe noise. I'm gonna use my normal voice. Okay. So while execution is also really just like I don't know, yaar, it just there is nothing really good happened. Financially is always going to be fucked up, emotionally is still fucked up. By the like basically in this month na, in this April I met so many people, my relatives, friends, and everyone is just like legit fucked up, yeah. Okay. And this April is also really hot. That what is exactly happened, dude? Just tell me the what is the problem. Okay. I don't know, it's just kind of like a okay. In at my home there is a motor is actually is for the suck the pump from the wheel to tank, called motor, water motor. Okay. Is always be some sort of problem every time, every second there is a problem and I have to fix that. And every time I talk to about the motor to my father that we have to buy a new motor, he always rejected. He always says that I don't know. I just don't want to interact with this thing. I just don't want to interact with the parents as also. It's just like I just wanted to go. I just whenever I just a little bit amount of money from the YouTube, I just like went away from home. Yeah. But dude, it's not the problem solving, dude. Nah. Okay, like problem is always be there at home, at anywhere that you are. Like life is actually meant for the problem, and you have to go through that thing, nah, dude. I know your situation is way worse, legit worse, yes. But you know yourself that the tomorrow is something really big. Tomorrow is something really great. You just have to focus on today, that you have to make it right, make it good, make it things. Tomorrow is something really better. Always be better. You just have to be make it focus on things today. Okay. But dude, yeah, sometimes I just felt like that na ki sometimes I just wanted to give up. I just feel like that he just like give up. Like basically na I can do lot of hard work. Like as a person can do so much hard work. Legit hard work. Like as a person who like if they have kind of like a stability of mental, and they are very happy, they can do lots of work. Yeah, I know myself that the Hogwarts Legacy contain almost like a 27 cutscene. I record those cutscene in just 3 hours simultaneously, one by one, and all those cutscene are incredible. I really legit like those things. Yeah, but sometimes your mind is actually fucked up now. The everything is actually fucked up. Everything. And how is your mind fucked up? Is that when someone says that you are really bullshit, you didn't really deserve to this, and you are 30 and you like, I don't know, when I see my reality, na dude, I just I just sometimes I cry, sometimes just like, and I cannot do that thing. I cannot do anything. It's actually very weak point. Yeah, it's just very weak point. It's just like a, my life is actually pushing me to the bend even more. Just legit, yeah, let me just like, it's almost like a 12 p.m. Okay, and I just ate my dinner. Okay, before I just don't want to talk about the things happen at home. It just felt like that, and I felt like that ki I just don't want to talk. Yeah, there is some sort of problem at home, and I have to figure it out. And it's just like, I just wanted to be, just be something that ki just, I don't know. I just want my pace. I just want my pace. What is my pace? Pace is that I wake up at morning. I wake up at morning, do my breakfast. Okay, then I started doing my work at 8:39. Okay, during this morning I have to play, record reference gameplay, record the cutscene and everything. Okay, then after the lunch, then I take the lunch, and after the lunch I have to edit my gameplay and upload my gameplay till 5 p.m, 5:30, and after that I have to go to the workout, do my workout, everything is really good. Then I came. Okay, after the came I have to schedule my video. That's it. Okay, then after that I watch some sort of videos on YouTube, khatam, and till the 12 p.m I went to sleep, wake up at morning at 7 a.m. So that is the routine, that is the pace I wanted. That pace is really good. Okay, everything happens simultaneously. Okay, because of that, na, in that during the pace there is a couple of things are actually included in it. Okay, also one thing is that my work is not just kind of like I push my button and just the work is started. No, it's not. Okay, it's my work came from my mind. Okay, and if my mind is actually very clear, very good, very kind of like basically, now let me tell you one thing. In the morning, I wake up at the morning, do my work, and suddenly my father is actually says me, "You are doing bullshit. You are pathetic. You are everything. It's just like you are not doing." And all those things are true. Yeah, I am legit accept all those things that they are saying. I'm accept those things. Okay, and because of that, now I felt really down, legit down. Now it's just like, it's just so down. And basically is that key, my content is about the comedy and funny things. Okay, make it something really good. And right now I'm going, the scenario is very serious, very just like very dark. Okay, I have to shift my mind from dark to comedy, and it's just like sometimes that transfer didn't really match up properly. Okay, because every time it just like fuck, 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 fuck. Okay, and then I take the advantage of masturbation. Okay, masturbation, what is it? This thing is that, I don't know here, like basically is that I am taking masturbation as a stress buster. Yeah, like basically I have a stress, do masturbate, just relax. Yeah, just sleep, then wake up, fresh start, and then I record. Okay, but that masturbation is not really I cannot, like basically those masturbation is not good as also. जस्ट लाइक दैट ना डूड कि मैं कुछ समझ ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ यार, मैं क्या, मेरे लाइफ ऐसे लिजिट फक्ड अप हो रही ना, इट्स जस्ट सो रॉन्ग, सो रॉन्ग। आई वांटेड टू मेक इट समथिंग रियली गुड। मैं हर बार, एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज दैट ना, I am doing this YouTube for almost like, I don't know, yaar. Like I came at Wardha at 17th April 2020. 17th April 2020, 17th April 2021, 22, 23. It's almost like a fucking 3 months, 3 years, dude. मैं 3 साल से घर पे हूँ. It's like every time now it's just like, and I started this YouTube at almost like a August 2021. Okay, August 2021 to June 2022, before I am doing filmmaking and things like that. And from June 2022 I started making gaming videos. Okay, and till now I don't know, I looked up my history now. It just like every time I just fucked up. Dude, it's not a fucked up, dude. Okay, you cannot say that it's a fucked up. It's not like, basically. Let me tell you one thing now. You as a person wanted to be some sort of a person in their life, as a person who can develop step by step now. And during this process, every time you actually fucked up now, you make a mistakes. You make a mistake, you go forward. You make a mistake, go forward. I know that, dude, but it's just like that. I can't afford to take mistakes, dude. Let me tell you one thing. It's just like from 10 months I was making these videos about kind of like a creepy noise. Okay, every time the content is really good, the person that you are is really amazing, but the voice is literally creepy now. So as an audience who can watch, you just felt it's a creepy, and just like they just shift somewhere else. They didn't really watch the entire video, and because of that, I felt really bad, felt really horrible, felt that dude, what the fuck is that here? From 3 years, it's just like, oh my god. Dude, do not think about that ना. Don't think about कि भाई तूने 3 साल बर्बाद कर दिए. You 4 year you बर्बाद कर दिए. Just not. It's just like, this is the process now. You have to just believing yourself, dude. I know, yaar, I know that believing yourself is kind of like something really filmy dialogue and things like that, but inside of my heart now, just like, what the fuck I'm doing with my life ना. मैं कभी कभी सोचता हूँ ना कि मैं just like just die, just like just मर जाऊँ मैं खुद को. Yeah, there is nothing at all. Like भाई तू कर सकता है, तू just be एक बार हर दिन फाइट करना पड़ता है, dude. If you wanted to be a big person now, you have to fight. You have to fight every day. Fight every day, every problem in every situation. And problems comes with very different shapes, different volumes. Sometimes it just, I don't know, it's like you are, like your life is actually bending too much at this point. But yeah, you have to do this. Yeah. You have to do this. I know I fucked up legit lot in my life. From the age of 2022 till the age of 30, almost like 8 years, I just, every time I fucked up, every after I went, it's not fucked up now, dude. You shouldn't count as a fucked up. Okay, like basically is that you went to the office, you realize that you are meant not to be for, you went to the job, you did job for 2.5 year. Before that you did a job in 1 year. Okay, because of all those things you realize that you are not meant to be a corporate thing, you are not meant to be kind of like a job. Your mind is not actually fulfilled with all those things, and also you understand that your life is not kind of like a something really good with these things. As also, like basically is that doing a job, everything is feels really good for the temporary purpose, but in the long run it not really work out now. You understand those things. because of those mistakes. So why should you count as a mistakes, dude? But dude, इसमें मेरे लाइफ के इतने साल बर्बाद हो गए ना, ये just a part of life, dude. Yeah, I know from the age of 2022, from the age of 22 to 30, it's kind of like a very crucial, and every steps has to be taken very precisely and at all. But it's just like sometimes na people fucked up, you fucked up na, dude. ओके इसमें कोई बुरी बात मानने वाली नहीं है. आई एम डूड जस्ट लाइक माई एवरी पर्सन दैट आई नो got a job, they successful, they do so many things, they earn, they have a confidence. I don't have a confidence. Like yesterday I was at the wedding. I feel left out all the time. I was trying to put myself into it, into that position, into kind of like something really, but every time my confidence is actually low all the time, all the time. Yes, I legit I try, like I wear that sherwani and everything is kind of like that कि हाँ चलो अभी अच्छे कपड़े से थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, and having that confidence से मैं थोड़े से जो whatever the things happen in my life I will forget that. Let's focus on the wedding and let's show the confidence. But every time I face someone and see something, just like dude yaar, it's just I lose my confidence. कोई भी घर में आता है ना, मैं उनसे बात भी नहीं करना चाहता. Yesterday my Atya's came. I didn't really talk to her. I know what should she say about things, but I didn't really know. Yesterday Pravesh talk about that ki the content and things like that. I just embarrassed. It's just why I feel embarrassed. I don't know. My mom, I don't know, yaar. It's just like. Also, I uploaded. I today I upload. Right now, video is uploading is a Modern Combat, and my project is actually legit fucked up. And why this thing is actually fucked up? Because of problems happened. Because of this my mentality. Because of this. It's a. What is the solution, dude? Just give me the solution. I will figure it out. I just don't want it to die. I know my life is really good, but just give me the solution. The the solution is that na ki just like do your things every day. Okay, there is no solution at all. Okay, because I cannot promise you that problem will not come. Definitely problem come, and even bigger problem will come. Okay, yesterday sometimes your father will do something, even something really bad, and sometimes you just, yeah, but at that time now, at that moment, you have to keep believing yourself. Okay, just believe that thing ki you can do this. You can do this. Just believe that. I know my life is legit for nashib gandu hai माझं. Yeah, but just like you have to be think that ki you can do this. You can do this and you can do this. बस करते रहना है. Don't expect things something really much bigger. Just like don't expect, just do it. Okay, just कर दे बस. I know this is actually very hard things for you, but one day it will be something really good happen. And just okay, just, and do not cry na, dude. Like you are 30 or you are, I'm not crying, dude. I just emotionally just very sad. It's just like I wanted to say so many things to so many person, but I can't. I can't. I don't have anyone. I can't. Like basically, Prashik yesterday asked me, say that whatever you have, whatever the things that you wanted to say, just tell me. I eagerly wanted to say that कि भाई ये सब हो रहा है, लाइफ में legit fucked up हो रहा है यार, और मैं नहीं बता सकता बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ना कि क्या होता है कि इन द एंड ना यू आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंग्स ना So usually those are the problems meant to be talk with such a people who is actually genuinely care about those things. Okay, क्योंकि I know that कि those are people are really good, but they are not that good. Yeah, in the end they will backstab me about such thing. Backstab means क्या होता है कि like basically is that like I am talking about seeing कि ये life में इतना इतना fucked up है मेरे life में, and they kind of like something that कि हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं sort out कर देंगे इस बात को, लेकिन then some sort of emotion came, some sort of moment came, and some sort of kind of like a मजाक मजाक में वो सारी चीज़ें बोल देते हैं, and then I felt really that like I felt that कि dude ये बहुत गंदा है ये, yeah, so I can't share with anyone else. Okay, जो 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 है ना वो अंदर की जो चीज़ें ना वो what do you want right now? I just want कि बस मेरे वीडियो चलने लगे यार. वो वीडियो कैसे चलेंगे डूड जब तक तेरा एग्जीक्यूशन प्रॉपरली नहीं हो पाएगा. या and why is your execution is not that good? Because your mind is not stable yet. Okay, because of this things happen ना मैं in क्योंकि I don't want to say no to the people, say to the no people, but I am saying no to the most of the people. नहीं कर सकता, ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, and every time, and those are the people I say no, those people are kind of like a very close to me, and when I say no to them I just kind of like a something felt really disconnect with that person. Just today is that ki Pinty's asked me that ki would you come to the Shruti's place for this dinner? I say no. Yeah. Firstly I say yes, then I say no, and then I don't know. Yeah, yesterday I don't know. Yeah, like today I feel like that. Ki today I'm losing my friend. I don't know. Yeah, it's just like every time, everything, everywhere I am seeing now. I just I seen so many people around me, but I just felt alone here. Yeah, कोई बात नहीं. Just don't be do such things. Okay, okay. I know things are just just end this artifact episode. सो जा भाई ना. I don't want to sleep. Yeah, I just have to schedule this video. Tomorrow I have to start with Hogwarts Legacy. And Hogwarts Legacy is almost like a 23 minutes. Still it include almost like a 20 plus cutscenes. So yeah, and I have to perform something really good tomorrow. Alright. I know that today's project is fucked up, but I don't want it to fuck up the another project. Right, so just go and just do it. Alright. And just try it every day. Okay. That's it. There is no solution at all. Just do it every day, every day, every day. That's it. Alright. Sometimes na my mind will get rebel. Okay, what is exactly rebel? Rebel means like that कि इसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया ना, तो जब मैं सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊंगा ना तो मैं ऐसा करेगा उनके साथ. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेबल. ओके. And I think about so many rebel things. This is not good, but because you see human mind na, like most of the time I am calm. Every time I just calm. It's just like ठीक है, अंदर दबा रखते हैं, अंदर दबा के रखते हैं. ओके. एंड जस्ट लाइक इतना गुस्सा आता है ना कभी कभी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है sometimes, and I'm just trying to holding that thing into me. Thank you.